Let's make spinach and potatoes in 1 minute. Saute sliced onions in all. When it becomes golden, add ginger garlic paste, chili flakes, turmeric, coriander powder and salt. Add potatoes and saute for 5 minutes. Add spinach and tomatoes. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. Now add cilantro and green chilies. Add garam masala and adjust the salt according to your taste. Cover and cook for 5 more minutes. Sprinkle some dried fenugreek leaves, cilantro, and green chilies. Enjoy the best veggie dinner with your favorite naan. Watch full recipe on my YouTube channel.